In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Maps walking directions. So it's really quick and easy. So what you want to do is go to Google Maps, and I'm just going to click on a location here. Let's see here. I'm just going to zoom in and click on this Diamond Auto. And by default, it's going to give you directions, so you can just hit directions. But by default, it will give you direction to your own house, to your own location based on your phone. So if you want to change that and actually go somewhere else, so I can just go up to the very top and go ahead and type in. Here we go. I can type in the Hidden Reef, which is, I think it's like a random fish store by my house. I'm not really sure. But what this actually will do is give you directions based on what you're choosing here. So you can go by car, which is what most people do, but you can also select the little person here, and it's going to adjust the time because obviously it's different for if you're on a bike, if you're on a bus, if you're on a car, or if you're walking. So you can zoom in, choose the route to walk, or if it gives you another one, you can choose that other direction as well, but it will give you the route to start to walk. You can hit preview and it'll just tell you where to go, and you can just go ahead and go on your walk. So I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one.